Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. So let's do an update on the first one. So a while ago, I saw Rob doing an applique video, and I was like, man, I think I could do that. Boy, oh boy, was that a challenge to myself. All right. Luckily, I got Rob in my corner. I love him to death. He's my brother. And I was like, man, let me put together a quilt dedicating to one of my favorite units, Buffalo Soldiers. And I found this image online, and I thought, hey, why not try this? It's a Buffalo Soldier, and I'm gonna call it the First Sergeant because he's got rank, right? And I love a little bit of rank. So I pulled the image down, I projected the image on the wall, I traced it out onto some paper, and this was my image, okay? So on the image, he was just a corporal. So I added some rank. He got promoted meritoriously by me. There's some things that I changed slightly, and these are my codes right here. But I also did not make that rule of the day, okay? The code, these are, medium brown, black, dark black, So at the beginning, I wanted to do this quilt in all batiks. But as you know, some batiks can be a little bit dramatic. So I had to, and Rob said, it's gonna look a little wild, so just mix it up. So I decided to mix it up. This is my progress so far. None of this is attached, okay? Everything on here is loose. I don't have, so I used Featherlight for my medium. Heat and Bond Featherlight is what I used. And this is him, right? So on the back of each of these is still the Heat and Bond, okay? Everything is loose because I need to position everything and see it where it is before I apply it. And then once I apply it, then, it'll be a finished product. So still have the rifle yet to do, still have his hat yet to do, some details, on him I have to do. But this is the progress so far. Just so you know, I did not leave you on purpose. I just needed something to move forward, and we're moving forward, okay? But what we'll do is from this point on, I'm going to show you everything that I do. So I'm working on his hat right now. And it's not challenging. It's just I'm going to use different tones for it. We've got some black in his hat. So I found this great fabric right here that looks like leather, right? And we'll be using that. And then we have to build out his rifle. So the rifle on here is not a Spencer. I'm going to use a Spencer. That's what they were issued in the day. And we'll change this. But I've got some browns. We're going to make that barrel black, and that will be it. Once we get that on, we're going to go ahead and fasten everything down, and I'm going to send it to my buddy Ray in Alaska. Ray's probably like, what? Yeah, Ray's my buddy. Ray and Daniel, they live in Alaska, and I joined their guild over the week when I was in Texas. So my guild is going to support me, hopefully. I'm going to send this out there, have it long-armed, and then whenever I show it, I could talk about how my guild put this together for me, okay? But this is the progress of the First Sergeant, you guys. I just don't want you to think that I didn't start it. I did. You guys know when the windows are big, I'm doing something, right? Sometimes I'm like, yeah, I don't think I want to film it because, at the time, sometimes I want to keep my thing to me, but I'm going to share more, okay? I'm going to share more. My mom taught me better, okay? I love you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.